Nestled in the charming town of Mullica Hill, New Jersey, Andover Place stands as an inviting residential neighborhood with a distinct appeal. If you're considering relocating to this area and are in the market for Andover Place homes for sale that seamlessly combine rural tranquility with modern conveniences, let me tell you a bit more. So Andover Place offers easy access to top-rated schools, ensuring quality education for families. Home buyers can choose from diverse housing options catering to different budgets and lifestyles. The area provides a safe, low-crime environment to raise a family. Residents enjoy close proximity to local shops, parks, transportation routes, and community events. And real estate in Andover Place allows you to invest in not just a property, but a true sense of community. Learn what it's like living in Andover Place in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. Give me a call, Nancy Kowalik, at 856-478-6562 to get all of your questions answered.